How to fix Microsoft Office error 30045-13 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows Firewall can occasionally prevent Microsoft Office from installing or updating correctly by blocking necessary data transfers. Temporarily disabling it may resolve error 30045-13. Before proceeding, ensure that you are connected to a secure network to minimize risks. Microsoft Office includes a repair feature that can resolve issues without requiring a complete reinstallation. Network issues can cause Office installation errors. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can detect and potentially fix network problems. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.